Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Calendar to your PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Calendar to PracticePanther anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that it can be kind of annoying to switch between your CRM and your calendar. And with PracticePanther, you can just link your Google Calendar to share information. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Calendar, there's two different ways you can do this. The quickest and easiest way is you can click here on the calendar button here on the top blue menu. Once you do that, up here on the top right, you want to click on sync your calendar. Right after you do that, it's going to bring you here to the settings. Another way you can get to the same screen is click on your name here on the top right. After you do that, click on settings. Once you click on settings, here on the left menu, you're going to scroll until you see calendar, tasks, and contacts. Either way, it's going to bring you here to the same screen. And in order to link your Google Calendar, click on this green activate sync button. All right, next, Google is going to open up the browser and ask you which calendar you want to link up with your PracticePanther. I'm going to choose this one right here. All right, once you do that, Google's going to warn you that they're going to share this information with PracticePanther, which is your name and your email. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, after you do that, you want to go ahead and choose your permissions. I'm going to go ahead and just select all. Quick second later, you're going to see this green pop-up confirming that your Google Calendar is now linked to your PracticePanther. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Calendar to your PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.